Hello, I'm in a 2011 Chevy Traverse, and today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off your cruise control settings. So right now, obviously I'm on a park, but you want to have the vehicle turned on, which it's on. And then while you're driving, this right here on your dash, this is your cruise control setting. So having that lit up means your cruise control is on, at which point, as you're driving, you want to try to keep a particular speed. You want it to hold, and then you'll press the set button, and then you can also toggle the speed somewhat with this plus or minus button. And then same thing, if you want it turned off, you just want to make sure this is not lit up, so you just push it and turn it off. Sometimes these are a little finicky systems, so you might have to play with it a little bit to get the exact speed you want it at. But see, if you're on a longer trip, it gives you something to do for the next couple minutes. But like I said, you want to make sure this is on, which right now it's on with this light. And then this would be the mode you're using to set your speed. Anyways, I hope this is helpful for you, and hope you have a great day.